Dear guys, you know very well there are 8 parts of speech English, and those are noun, pronoun, adjective, verb, adverb, preposition, conjunction and interjection. You are looking here, there is a English sentence in front of you. A good student works hard at her books and she enjoys learning. In this sentence, near about there are 7 parts of speech except interjection. Look here. You know is a article and it is called also indefinite article. Okay. The second is good. Good is saying something more information about a noun, student. Okay. So good is adjective and student is noun. Okay. A good student, good is adjective, student is noun, works verb. This is verb. Okay. Hard adverb. This word is telling us about verb. Okay. So it is called adverb. Hard is adverb. At is preposition. Her is pronoun. Books noun. Okay. And conjunction. And is joining here this part of sentence and remaining part of sentence. इन दोनों को जोड़ रहा है यहाँ पर. एंड पहला जुमले का पहला पार्ट है ये, इसको और इसको जोड़ रहा है ये दोनों को. तो जोड़ने वाला जो लफ्ज़ होता है वो कहलाता है कंजंक्शन. ओके. शी प्रोनाउन. ओके. और दिस इज सब्जेक्टिव प्रोनाउन. ओके. एंड enjoys is verb. And learning is gerund form. Okay. Like this way.